All right, Google had their Google Marketing Live event, and there's a lot of noise there because they're talking about how they're changing Google search. And from what I know or have seen, I think Google search is you're still going to have the ability to look at links like traditional Google search, but they're just expanding AI overview and then also AI mode further, which means more ads in AI overview and AI mode as well. It's very noisy. I'm not concerned. People are like, oh, this is changing everything. It's just evolving, and Google will continue to figure out how to make a ton of money from it. So as an advertiser, I think you're pretty safe. The game just might change a bit, right? And again, I don't believe Google search is 100% being changed to just AI mode from what I've seen. So someone can correct me if I'm wrong there. I haven't spent countless hours diving into this, but to me, it looks like, yes, more expansion into AI mode and AI overviews, which is fine. And so, and if you don't know what any of that is, if I go to Google right now and I just do best driver for beginners, like golf driver, here's AI overview, right? This is the first thing they just showed me, which is basically a complete sort of breakdown of everything you might want to know. And then there's AI mode, which is basically talking to an LLM, because it's using Gemini technology. So think of this as ChatGPT, but it's Google's tech, right? This is what they're going to continue to push further and expand into. And look, you can see they've got ads now a part of all of this, which they continue to do that, right? Google's not going to give up making billions of dollars from advertising per year just to give you and push you into AI conversations for searching. So I see a lot of misinformation on how do you get your ads to show on AI mode or AI overview. So I want to show you real quick. I'll share this as well. Here's a Google Doc, and it literally, and this is in regards to showing on AI overviews, search and shopping ads from existing search, shopping, and performance campaigns are able to win the auctions and address both the query and the information in AI overview. So basically, ads can trigger for search, shopping, and performance max campaigns are ready. Now, I did a video before on AI mode and all of more information in regards to AI mode. If you want to go check that out, I'll have a link to that video in the description below. But I referenced this article, which I linked to, and I'll link to this one again. But I used this screenshot from them in regards to it. This is when they were rolling out AI overviews. So this is probably, when was this? This has been a while, August of 2025. So almost a year ago. From the time I'm doing this video currently. But here they talked about to show on AI overview, you need to be using AI tech, and AI tech is a part of broad match keywords. It's a part of performance max keywords. It's a part of AI max if you're going to be utilizing AI max. And then also it is baked into just shopping campaigns already. So here's the other image where it says to show ads on AI-powered search experiences, you need AI-powered targeting solutions. So that's broad match on search, AI max, performance max, or just shopping, right? So to clear up the misinformation, you don't need to use AI max to get ads on AI overview or AI mode. If you're utilizing broad match right now in your search campaigns, that can get you there. If you're utilizing a performance max campaign, that can get your ads on AI overview or AI mode. And then just traditional shopping will even do in it. Now, here's the thing. Google does zero in regards to reporting on ads being shown on any of this. So you actually have no idea. But if you want to make sure you're eligible to show your ads on AI overview or AI mode, then just make sure you're doing one of these things, right? Broad match on search, AI max, PMax, or a shopping campaign, and you'll have some coverage there. You can't actively target AI mode or AI overview. You can't really get reporting on it. You can't do anything about it, but you can do one of these things. Now, you don't just need to use AI Max. So I just want to clear that up because I keep seeing misinformation where it's you have to have AI Max on in order to show ads on AI mode or AI overview. That's incorrect. So don't feel the need to go utilize AI Max right now if you don't want to, or if you've had poor testing like we've had, and I have some videos on that. I'll put those or a video on that. I'll put that in the description below. But utilize one of these other options if AI Max isn't working for you. You don't want to adopt into it right now. But I just know you don't need to have AI Max in order to show ads on AI mode or AI overview. So there you go. Hopefully that clears some of the misinformation that I've seen. And if you're confused by it, hopefully you now have some clarity. And again, Google doesn't really give you any clarity on any of this right now, if your ads are showing or how often or for what. So continue to operate your Google Ads account as you have been, and from the trainings that I train on here on the YouTube channel or in the school group where I have further ongoing training and courses. But just know you don't need AI Max. If you don't want to use it, you don't need it to show an AI mode or AI overview. You will be covered through Broad Match, Standard Shopping, or Performance Max. I hope that helps you.